ADHERE prototype program. It is 6 in the morning. We've been here for about 30 minutes, maybe a little bit more than that. We are getting ready for demo day, working on a lot of different things, prototype. About to start working on the sanding and getting prepped, everything prepped for paint. That's going to be a pretty big process, every step to get that painted here properly to the plastic. Let's see, we're also compiling our list and getting those sent out in advance in preparation for fundraising. So we're starting to plant those seeds now so that a month and 2 months out that we can get like a lot of meetings and everything booked. The goal, the target is to hit like 300 potential investors within an 8-week period. So that's 300 meetings. So that's a lot, Let's see, we're also working on some last few tech things. We have a few things left to design. Also got the pitch deck that we're refining and getting that. That's getting really, really good. Very, very happy with the way that's going. Also working, focusing probably predominantly like 70% of our time is on the actual pitch and the presentation itself. And then probably a couple weeks from now, 3 weeks from now, we'll start doing construction on the base that's going to hold up the pod pack for display. We have a rough version that we did, I don't know, like 9 months ago. So we're going to gut the parts out of that, redesign it, integrate some LEDs, paint it real clean white, and call it a day. So we have a pretty good design in our head already, so it's just a matter of just building it. Probably take us, I don't know, like 2 days probably to craft and assemble that, maybe some custom cutting on the metal and stuff, but it should go pretty good. So so we're just cranking it out. We got 5 weeks until demo day, and right after demo day it's 8 weeks of hustle and grind. So yeah, it's a good 3 months, a little over 3 months straight of just hitting it hard. So we're also doing P90X for that 3 months. So we'll see how that goes. We want to target, making sure our health stays in check and everything stays with where it needs to be. So, it's going. So we'll give everybody an update later. Probably when we start assembling some parts of the pod pack and the next prototype part that prints, probably showcase some of that. So with that, everybody enjoy your Saturday. We're about to crank it all day. ADHERE, you're out.